Hi, I am Pramit Nandi and I work as Product Marketing Manager with Semiconductor. Today we are going to show you a demo that we have created to show how you can replace traditional relays with eFuse for industrial automation applications. This demo showcases the latest members of our eFuse family, NIS 5820, NIS 5020 and NIS 5021, and how they can be used as replacement of traditional relays for industrial automation applications. Our eFuses with inbuilt protection features and ability to control the slew rate on the output make sure the switching is smooth while maintaining unconditional safety for the downstream circuitry. In this demo, we have a programmable logic controller, and the output of the programmable logic controller drives the relays, the eFuse, and relays drive the pulse jet solenoid valve for 12-volt industrial application, and we will compare the performance difference between the traditional relay and the eFuse. As you can see, unlike the protected relays using eFuses, relays with mechanical components show huge current spikes while turning on as well as turning off. This creates a lot of noise with possible risks of arcing and sparks, which finally results in limited lifespan and may need frequent replacement. On the other hand though, eFuses switch very smoothly and the current spikes are greatly reduced while ensuring operating within the safe operating area with inbuilt protections. Replacing relays can be very costly and dangerous. Using eFuses as replacement of traditional relays can reduce cost and size, while you can also ensure that the system is always operating within SOA and you have higher energy efficiency. Thank you for your time, and to learn more about our eFuse family, please visit www.onsemi.com.